Actually, I forgot to open the recording and I wrote all those things. Okay, so what is happening? I was explaining about concurrency and multi-threading, what I was going through today. So, suppose we have got one CPU, okay, and we have got multiple apps, right? It is running. So, what happens is if you are having multiple apps and one CPU, so one task at a time only CPU can execute. Okay, so if you have to run all these applications, so what will happen? Multitasking will happen, switching between tasks. CPU will switch to execute in between tasks. All right, now comes inside a program itself, inside the app itself, we have got multiple threads. We have created multiple threads, for example, and we are switching in between the threads. So that is called multi-threading, which is switching in between the threads. Okay, switching here, switching in between the threads. All right. So in the I would say in the modern day computers, we are having multiple CPUs, right? We are having multiple CPUs. So what will happen? We have got threads and we have got more CPUs. So only one CPU can take one thread, right? Another CPU can take another thread. So kind of parallelism we can achieve using this method, like this, like more CPUs. If we are having more CPUs, then we can achieve parallelism. We can achieve parallelism. Also, if some of the good YouTube channels which you can refer, right? Refer to study. I'm also going using those channels only. First one is Shreyans Jain. Shreyansh Jain. Another is Saini. And one more I was going through is Engineering Digest. So these are the three channels I'm actually using, and these two even more I'm using nowadays. So you can also refer this channel for studying concepts of multi-threading. Okay, other concepts which you can study from here is like if you want to study exception handling, you can study, right? Also Spring Boot internals. For studying Spring Boot related things, I think Shreyans Jain will be the best choice. Also, some of the important concepts like idempotency, okay, API versioning, also caching related concepts, okay, and indexing, SQL basics, all you can study. SQL related things you won't find in this channel, I guess. Indexing and SQL you have to study separately, but these are the important topics which you can go and study. All the other topics you can go and study from the above channels, I guess, and these are very important from interview perspective, right? Interview perspective, like most of the interviews which I am giving, so whether it is for like product based companies or any company, okay, any company, if you are having experience of 3 plus years, right, they expect you to answer everything related to multi-threading, right? Exception handling, idempotencies handling, how we do exception handling in Spring Boot, right? Spring Boot, how we do it, and also a little bit about Kafka also is important. Apart from that, collections, basic idea, even basic idea is required for the service based companies also.